GPs here. What?
Injection.
Which injections? It's not injection. We came here because they said you are taller. You are taller than your age. I don't know, something like that. So that's why we are here for your appointment. Is it hard? Hello. Yeah, fine, and you? Yeah, come this way. Come sit by here, love. So I got a call from her school that they did like height checks, stuff like that in school, that her height was more than average.
Okay.
So they said if there's an issue, if there's a challenge, if there's anything, I told them no, that she's fine, that everything is fine. So they said okay, that's just in case that I should check with the GP to make sure everything is fine with her. You sit down.
Okay, so your concern was that she's taller than her peers, basically?
Yeah, that she's taller than average.
Okay, do you know how tall she is? No?
I'm not sure.
Have a go.
Okay.
Okay. And can you take this? There you go. And put your feet right next to the wall, so push them backwards. Perfect. Okay. And you just look straight ahead, okay? You stay there, okay? Good girl. Okay. So 17. Perfect. And you're pushing it for breakfast.
Porridge, cereal, bread. Yeah.
For lunch, what do you usually get at school?
What do you eat in school?
Don't
Sometimes she has spag bowl, roast dinner, potato, bread, stuff like that, because I book her dinner.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Oh, so you can choose sort of what
Yeah.
That's good.
So, sit. Come this way, baby.
Did he left?
Where is he?
Daddy.
So we are going to your school now, okay? So we are going to school now, okay?
I'm happy I got my stickers.
You are happy? Who gave you the sticker?
Doctor.
The doctor. Who gave you the sticker, baby?
Doctor.
Oh, you're happy about that, yeah? So yeah, we are back from the GP. I think I'll gist you guys every when I get home, because for now I'm tired. So guys, I just got back from the GP. Yeah, I took a visit to GP. You guys remember in some vlogs ago, I told you guys they said she's taller than average. Like she's the tallest child in her class. So they said I should check her. Like I should take her to GP for them to check her. So I booked an appointment, and today was the appointment day. We went there, we met the doctor. So she checked her height. I'm sure you guys saw the vlog, because I tried to vlog a little bit. So she checked her height, checked her weight, and then she asked me a few questions. How many times does she eat in a day? What does she eat? I told her. Does she drink well? Does she go to toilet well? I said yes. She asked has she started growing boobs and pubic hairs? I said no. She asked if she has been sick like 6 months or previously. I said no, that she's doing fine, she's growing well, that everything is okay. So after much questions, so she did one chart thing, like a height chart. So she showed me the chart. There's like a range, a line, that if it crosses that line, then it should be a concern. There should be further investigation. But Adeze is still within that line, like she's still way within the line. If this is the line, Adeze is still somewhere here. So she said that there's no concern from what she has seen and from what I've told her, that there's no concern, that she's okay, that she's fine. But in 2 months' time, that should book for a routine check for them to still check to ensure that she's still within that line. So that's basically it. Yeah, so everything went well. From there, we dropped Adeze off at school, and then this is me back home. Yeah, so I just said to update you guys. So if you have something like that, or if you get such call from the school nursing department that your child is more, her weight or her height is more than average, stuff like that, it is very important. Yeah, it can sound funny to us, but yeah, if you can, still take them to the GP for them to check and make sure everything is okay. All right, okay, then talk to you guys later. Yo. Yo, so this is the face behind the behind the egusi soup that you guys saw. Can you guys see it? I don't know if you can see it over there. I just finished cooking the egusi soup couple of hours. No, that was in the afternoon. I finished cooking it in the afternoon. Yeah, so I want to tidy up the kitchen now because everywhere is a mess. And then the kids, they've had their bath. Once I tidy up the kitchen, I'll have my bath and boom, go to sleep. So this is what I want to tidy. Yay! Move back. Up on the next one.
Okay.
Where is the next one?
Down the stable.
Tap on it now. Hey!
That's
Hey.
really not too bad.
Come on!
Down with the apples, down with the apples. It won't be too bad. Down with the Papa wooden floor. And a tiny baby. What a lovely sight. Glory be to God our Christ. Jesus is born.
This.
Tis on my Savior's love. Light in the sky, light in the sky.
Oh, let me put the next one.
Streaming up, light in the sky, shining down.
Let's see the next one. That's enough. You have tried, baby.
A baby's born. Is there anyone?
Yeah, so guys, Adesa has been rehearsing because they gave them about 9 different songs from school to rehearse. So I've been playing it for her. She has been reciting it, dancing, and yeah, she has. Is it a class that they teach you? Oh, you have been doing the rehearsal in school. Okay, and she has gotten a hang of it. She has been dancing. She has been practicing. And yeah, that's good. Have you practiced your lines today?
Now let's practice.
Don't worry, later we'll practice your lines. You've done a lot today. The stable was a manger with hay inside it. I come and sit down here and recite it again for me. Let's recite it together. Come down. Let's go. Let's recite your line. 1, 2, go.
In the middle of the stable was a manger with hay inside it.
High five, baby. All right, you tried. High five. So we've tried, okay? Yeah. So 67 for so. 3 leggings, and I bought the school uniform for Daisy. This is actually 9 to 10 years. Yeah.